If you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing Elden Ring, follow these steps to optimize your audio settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings menu and ensure that the audio output device is correctly set. Make sure you select the right speakers or headphones you are using. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Keeping your audio drivers up to date can resolve many compatibility issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio options. Experiment with the in-game audio options such as sound quality and surround sound settings. Sometimes lowering the sound quality can help reduce desync issues. Step 4. Sync audio in Windows. Open the sound settings in Windows and check if there's an option to adjust audio sync. You may find settings that allow you to delay or advance audio playback to match the video. Step 5. Restart the game. After making changes to your audio settings, restart Elden Ring to ensure that all adjustments take effect. This can help resolve any lingering audio desync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize the audio settings in Elden Ring and enhance your overall gaming experience.